Too many Windows tablets. Too little clarity on which one actually fits your life. This video covers the 7 best Windows tablets in 2026, from the cleanest budget pick to the most powerful Windows tablet ever built. Based on research and expert reviews, no filler. Links are in the description. Stick around. The number 1 is the only Windows tablet built ground up for gaming. Starting at number 7, the Fusion 5 10.1-inch, the best budget Windows tablet for first-time buyers. Most tablets this size run a mobile operating system, can't open Excel cleanly, can't run real Photoshop, can't replace a laptop. The Fusion 5 closes that gap. First, Intel 13th Gen N100 processor, turbo to 3.4 GHz, real desktop-class architecture, office, multi-tab browsing, and light photo work without stutter. Next, 12 GB RAM and a 256 GB SSD, plus a 512 GB microSD slot, room for school files and a few PC games. Finally, a 500 nit Full HD IPS touchscreen, bright for sunny patios, crisp for sharp video calls. Cons: 10.1-inch screen feels small for serious multitasking. Cameras use fixed focus, and the keyboard dock is sold separately. Best for students and first-time Windows tablet buyers, not for heavy multitaskers. At $499.99, the cleanest way into real Windows on a tablet. Starting fresh? Start here. At number 6, the Fusion 5 Rugged 10.1-inch Pro, the best rugged Windows tablet for job sites and field work. Regular tablets die after one drop on concrete. The Rugged Pro is built for exactly that. First, a shockproof, dustproof, reinforced body with a hands-free backstrap. Survives drops and dust that ruins consumer tablets. Next, covered micro HDMI, USB-C, and USB 3 ports that flip closed when idle. Dust and moisture stay out of every connector. Finally, a 2.5D glass touchscreen at 500 nits. Readable on a rooftop at noon, scratch resistant under a work glove. Cons: still 10.1 inches, no LTE, and heavier than a slim consumer tablet. Best for contractors, field technicians, outdoor educators. Not for home users wanting an ultra-thin tablet. At $639.99, built for places ordinary tablets quit. Working in the field, this one comes home with you. At number 5, the Fusion 5 12-inch 2K, the best big screen Windows tablet for productivity on a budget. A 10-inch tablet cramps real work. Tabs overlap, palettes don't fit. The 12-inch 2K solves it. First, a 12-inch 2K touchscreen at 2000 by 1200 in 16:10. Genuine multitasking. Word beside a browser, a PDF beside your notes. Next, 12 GB DDR5 RAM and a 512 GB SSD. DDR5 keeps multitasking smooth where older 10-inch tablets stutter. Finally, a built-in active cooling fan. Sustained performance under load. No thermal throttling halfway through a long render or call. Cons: the included stylus is functional but not Pen Pro grade. Battery runs smaller than the rugged Fusion 5. No USB-A port. Best for students, freelancers, and light creators wanting room to work. Not for artists needing premium pen pressure. At $699.99, the most screen real estate per dollar on this list. Need room to work? This is the canvas. At number 4, the ASUS ProArt PZ13, the best Windows tablet for creators who want OLED without Microsoft branding. Most Windows tablets ship with LCD panels. Fine for browsing, weak for color work. The PZ13 brings flagship OLED into the mid-tier. First, a 13.3-inch AMOLED 2.8K touchscreen at 2880 by 1800. Flagship OLED quality, deep blacks, and the color volume creators need. Next, a keyboard cover included in the box. The magnetic attached keyboard ships in the package. Finally, a 70 watt-hour battery in a 1.87 pound body, Wi-Fi 7, full Windows 11, and an SD card slot for camera offloads. Cons: the pen is sold separately. Windows on ARM still has occasional x86 friction. Port selection is limited, and there's no headphone jack. Best for creators, students, anyone wanting OLED in a slim Windows tablet. Not for gamers or heavy legacy x86 workflows. At $1,149.99, OLED creator grade in a slim tablet form. Want OLED in Windows? Right here. At number 3, the Microsoft Surface Pro 11th Edition, the cleanest entry to the Surface ecosystem. This is the bare bones Surface Pro, just the tablet, no keyboard, no pen. Sometimes that's all you need. First, a Snapdragon X Plus 10-core processor with a dedicated neural processing unit. Real laptop class performance in a tablet shell, without the fan noise. Next, 14 hours of battery life with 65-watt fast charging via USB-C or Surface Connect. A full school day on one charge. Finally, a Copilot plus PC neural processing unit stack, local AI for live captions, image generation, and smart Windows tools older Surfaces can't run. Cons: the Flex keyboard is sold separately. Windows on ARM still has occasional x86 app quirks. Only 13 inches if you wanted bigger. Best for students, professionals, road warriors who already own a keyboard. Not for serious gamers or x86 plug-in tied workflows. At $1,199.99, the cleanest way into the Surface ecosystem. Want the mainstream pick? Right here. Quick reminder, if this video is helping, hit like and subscribe. Links are in the description. Let's hit the top 2. At number 2, the Microsoft Surface Pro 11 bundle. The best Surface Pro for buyers tired of chasing accessories. The bare Surface Pro leaves you shopping for 2 more things: the keyboard and the pen. This bundle ends that. First, a Microsoft Pro keyboard and Surface Slim pen included. The pen stores and charges inside the keyboard. A full laptop setup the moment it ships. Next, a 1TB SSD, 4 times the storage of the entry Surface. Room for serious creator workflows or local AI models. Finally, the same 13-inch PixelSense Flow display at 2880 by 1920 with 120Hz dynamic refresh. Smoother scrolling and inking than any older Surface. Cons: still the Snapdragon X Plus chip, not the Elite. Windows on ARM friction with older x86 apps. No OLED option in this bundle. Best for creators, students who ink, anyone tired of accessory upsells. Not for buyers needing maximum CPU power or an OLED screen. At $1,729.99, the Surface Pro with nothing left to buy. Want the complete kit? Right here. Now for number 1. This is the only Windows tablet here built ground up for gaming. 180Hz panel, gamer-tuned thermals, the works. Number 1. The ASUS ROG Flow Z13, the only Windows tablet built ground up for AAA gaming. Every other tablet here hits its limit the second AAA games load. The Z13 keeps going. First, an AMD Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 with Radeon DNA 3.5 graphics. Discrete class GPU power on one chip. Real AAA gameplay, not a stripped down port. Second, 32 GB of low power DDR5X 8000 MHz quad channel memory and a 1TB Gen 4 SSD. Unified memory feeds CPU and GPU together for smoother frames. Third, a 13.4-inch ROG Nebula display at 2.5K and 180Hz. Gamer refresh rate with creator color accuracy. Fourth, a 170-degree kickstand and detachable RGB keyboard. Pull the keyboard, dock a controller, and the tablet becomes a portable rig. Cons: runs warmer under load. Battery shorter than ARM tablets. Bulkier than other tablets here. Best for traveling gamers, mobile creators, power users. Not for casual buyers or battery purists. At $2,030.99, the Windows tablet built for gaming end to end. Done compromising? This is the only answer. And there's your 7 best Windows tablets in 2026. From the cleanest budget pick to a gaming class beast in tablet form. Drop a comment. Which one are you grabbing and what for? Links are in the description. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.